everyone, a hearty welcome to Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. And it's a new day with a new morning, so I wish a good morning to all of you and have a great day. I am Pammi, a student of Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center, taught by Mr. Vikram sir. First of all, thanks our Vikram sir because he has given me a golden opportunity to stand here and improving myself. And thank you all of you for coming here and listening my topic. And in the topic is women empowerment. What is a women empowerment? Women empowerment means giving a power or authority to any individual girl. It's called women empowerment. And we all know in this time girls having lots of freedom. That's why doing hard work for development our country. And women empowerment is empowering the women to take their own decision for their personal development as well as social development. Women empowerment would mean encouraging women to be a self-reliant, independent, have positive self-esteem, generate confidence to face any difficult situation, and incite active participation in various social political development. And in the ancient time, women were treated very badly by family and society. They were not given education and were only restricted to doing household tasks. They were kept completely oblivious for their rights and development. Women make up half of the country, so in order to make the country an entirely powerful country, women empowerment is very necessary. And there were various ways and in how one can empower women to individual make it happen. And education for girls must be a more compulsory so that women can become literate to make a life for themselves, and women we must given equal opportunity to any field, irrespective of genders, and moreover, they must also be a given equal pay. We can also empower women by eliminating child marriage in India, which is commonly conducted in village area, and various programs must be conducted where they can be given the ability to defend themselves, and in case they face financial series, most importantly the same of divorce and abuse must be thrown out of the windows, and many women to in abusive relationship because of their for society parents, and must teach other daughters it's okay to come home and divorce rather than in a coffin. And there are 5 categories of women empowerment, like that social empowerment and economical empowerment, cultural empowerment, and political empowerment, and last aim of the women empowerment. And my friend define one by one.
Hello friends, well I am Sapna. I am student of Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center, taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Now I will describe about economical empowerment of women. Empowerment of women is a necessity for the development of our society, our country, and enhance both the quality and quantity of human resources available for development. And guys, you can see that in our India, women and girls want to do many more things, and many girls want to complete their dreams. But in India, our mentality is very poor and very bad. And in India, women suffering many types of problem. And you can also see that if we give to the chance, if we give to the opportunity to the women and girls, then absolutely women will do very well and very perfectly. And according to me, we should give respect, rights and freedom to the girls comparison to the boys, because our girls and women also do everything. And you can see that in most of the country, many women made their identity in the world by doing great work. So that's why women empowerment is very necessary, and we should give to the chance in economical activity to the women. And you can see that in most of the countries there are around 50% of female population is there, but unemployment of female population is lower GDP and lower development. So that is very bad. But if we give to the opportunity and chance in economic activity, then absolutely women and girls will do perfectly. So at last I want to say that we should give respect and freedom and rights to the women equal to the gender male and female.
Hello my sweet friends, I am Neha present in front of you, and today I will give you one interesting topic that is motivational, as well as because of that topic you may get chance to open your eyes. Friends, we may just find here that there are lots of problems are going in our country, and it is also veracity of our life. Okay, so my topic is aim of women empowerment. So friends, we are just seeing in our now generation that how much crime is going on. Okay, so I want to tell you that women are getting their rights, their own decisions, and as well as they are getting freedoms, education, all the things. That's called the aim of women empowerment. Okay, and we know friends also that the women are means already they are too much strongest in the world. Okay, so we don't need to tell them that they are strongest, and now in our world, maximum person are considering that women are, we have given lots of opportunities to our girls and women. But it isn't right, okay? Because now also it is need to improve that type of mentality. Means they are just telling that we have given, but it isn't right, okay? Because we have seen that in a village sectors also, they are giving marriage to their girl child also. But in the same case, if any a boy child is growing more, and then after they are just telling about the marriage, then after they are just ignoring it. Their parents is also telling them, no, you are boy and you can live at a long time. But if instead of that, if you will talk about the girls, then after they of course say that no, she is a girl child. Why? What is need to study? So in that case, why we are just thinking so? So because of that reason, in now generation, I wanna say you that we are living in the 21st century, but even we are not developed. Okay. Every people is saying that we are just in a developing path. But what is the meaning of developing? This is developing. No, I don't think so. So means I want to tell to all of you that we had lesson about more strongest women as Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, and also lots of women who were too much strongest. So now also women are too much strongest, but because of some crimes means maximum parents are means forgetting that I should also give chances to our girls. And now you can also observe the girls, if you go on so in our classroom, in our job fields also, then after you may just search in a soldier places also, in a doctor places also, what can't girls do? Girls are doing lots of things as same as boys. Okay, so I just think here that girls can do all the things as comparison to boys. So why we are just ignoring that type of things? So at last I want to tell to all of you that close your open your eyes, friends, because you are too much strongest in the world. You don't need to tell another thing. Means you are too much strongest in the world. Okay, so thank you.
Well, good morning to all of you. Today I am here to describe a very interesting topic, social empowerment. Social empowerment means society gives chance and power or authority to any individual girls for doing anything, for taking their decision, and for facing any difficulties. So it is called social empowerment. But do you know guys, any person are not giving any type of chance to any girl. Why we all are not giving chance to any girl? If you give chance to any girl, then every girl are also doing a hard work for achieving their goal. But we all are not thinking for girls. Why we all are not thinking for girls? If you give freedom, chance, then every girl having a power for do everything. In ancient time, we all
दुनिया बसाएंगे।
नहीं है डगर, नया है सफर।
हम नारी आगे ही बढ़ते जाएंगे।
थैंक यू।